what's going on, guys? It's Ben, CEO and founder here at Bolt Deals, and I am back with another account overview. Today, we have one of our clients, home buyer, heroes out of Dallas. And for context, they've been with us for, I don't even know how long, a long time, a little over a year. No, definitely over a year. Almost 2 years, I'd say. And in that time, we spent a little over almost $160,000 in Google PPC. We averaged a 15% conversion rate on our landing page. So what that means is out of 100 people that click on our landing page, how many of them actually become leads? And then out of that, we got 636 leads at a $250 average cost per lead. I actually even created an entire case study that's about 40 minutes long that I'll link to at the end of this video with the results that we got, because we also ran retargeting ads for them on Facebook, right? And we'd average about an $80 cost per lead there. They also sent us their deal board. So they send us their deal board every single month of the deals they've closed, things like that. And pretty much that's the data that we use. That's how we keep a tight feedback loop in order to actually scale our campaigns. They are by far one of my favorite clients that I've ever worked with. No offense to any of our other clients, but I've been to their offices. I've met their entire team. I've heard them close deals in person, like you name it. We've seen all that. So I truly love building profitable marketing campaigns for real estate investors, because that is our bread and butter. And then pretty much the next step is really just scaling, right? How can we scale our campaigns without diminishing returns is the $1 million question, right? So for us, what we really want to be doing, and we're going to be implementing, is more automated data attribution. And what that basically is we're able to track exactly which keywords, which ad groups, which ads, campaigns, etc., that where our best deals and contracts are coming from. Because at the end of the day, we can optimize for the most amount of leads, contracts, things like that. But what we really want to optimize around is deals and or contracts and deals. And then you can get to the step of bigger assignment fees later after that. So with that said, if you are a established real estate investor that's already doing about 2 deals per month, and you're looking to scale to that 5, 10, 15, 20 deals per month with inbound marketing, whether that's PPC or Facebook ads, I'll drop the link to my calendar in the Zoom chat where you could schedule a call with us personally, schedule a call with me personally. And I love to sit down and walk you through all the KPIs, all the results, projections that we can accomplish for you and your team. That way you guys can have a better stream of highly vetted, qualified sellers who need to sell as opposed to just wanting to sell. So if that's you and you have a budget around $5K minimum to allocate towards ad spend, I'd love the opportunity to speak with you and show you what we are able to accomplish and how we're able to scale your wholesaling business. Again, my name is Benjamin, CEO and founder here at Bolt Deals, and I look forward to hopefully speaking with you. Have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.